kapitalismo.
Habang may tasulong at sila ang nasa tuklong, di matatapos itong gulong. Habang may tasulong at sila ang nasa tuklong, di matatapos itong gulong.
We could have been more as students. We could have been places. We could have reached more. There are stars to reach and we could have done that. But the government is pulling us back.
But we must also address to the root cause of their vulnerability. Promote a culture of integrity.
Funds are stolen, projects are delayed, what's worsened, we are paying not with money, we are paying lives.
While corruption in the bureaucracy is no longer new, the scale of the scandal and its grave consequences have renewed a sense of both anger and hope.
Makatubang na puta sa kontradiksyon na para asa man nato gamiton ang atong pribilihiyo o edukasyon para ba bukulog o padayon nga mupadaton sa mga dato o para sa mga taong nagkinahanglan niini sa mga taong padayong nakigbisog o patas
o sa hustisya naghimaya kami kanimo. Igasahan mo kami sa kagkawasan. Imuha kami instrumento.